we are diving deep into something that every single streamer and content creator should have in their arsenal, Media Kit. Whether you're an experienced creator or just starting out, having a well-structured media kit can completely change how you connect with brands, grow your platform, and present yourself professionally. And in this video, I'm going to show you why a media kit is so crucial and how using tools like Beacon.AI can help you create one easy. Let's get into it. For those who may not know it, a media kit is a digital resume for content creators and streamers. It's a single document that gives brands and collaborators insights of your stats, audience demographics, brand collaborations, and everything else they need to know to work with you. It's the key to showcase what you bring to the table. Now let's talk about why it's important. First and foremost, Media Kit shows brands that you are professional and serious about making your content. It instantly builds credibility. Brands often reach out to creators asking for their stats. Instead of scrambling trying to find all of your stats, a media kit is all in one place that has all of your stats. Now let's talk about tools. One of the easiest way to build a media kit is through Beacon.AI. They make it super simple to pull together all of your relevant stats and create a clean and professional kit that impresses brands and agencies. Let me show you how that works. For streamers, a media kit is especially important. Streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube do not give you the tools you need to present your value to sponsors. A media kit lets you show off your average viewers and engagement rate, and even your unique selling points like your streaming schedule and style. Let's talk about how to make your media kit stand out. Here are a few things to include. Your bio. Keep it short and to the point, but highlight what makes you unique. Key stats, follower count, engagement rate, and average viewers. Audience demographics. Brands want to know who your audience is. Content style and collaboration. List past partnerships and types of content you've created. Contact information. Make it easy for brands to reach out. And there you have it. A media kit isn't just a nice tool to have, it is a must tool to have as a content creator or streamer. If you want to get started, click the Beacon link down in my description to build your own professional media kit in minutes, the tool that I personally recommend to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you have any question or if you're already using a media kit. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!